Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps on how to unpin a group from the top of your chat list in the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you've ever pinned a group chat to make it easier to access and now want to remove it from the top, this guide will help you do that quickly. Sometimes, having groups pinned is useful when you need to always keep them visible. But after a while, you may no longer need that chat fixed at the very top, especially if you want to clear up space or simply reduce distractions. The good news is, WhatsApp's new update makes it easy to unpin any group in just a few clicks. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, look through your chat list until you find the group you want to unpin. You'll notice that pinned chats always appear right at the top, so spotting it should be quick and easy. Next, take your mouse and right-click on that group chat. A small menu will pop up with different options. From that menu, all you need to do is select the option that says Unpin. As soon as you click that, the group will immediately move down into the regular chat list, sorted by the most recent messages, just like any other conversation. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a group. It takes only a few seconds, and now your chat list will look cleaner and more organized. If you ever change your mind, you can always pin it again by following the same steps and choosing Pin instead. Managing your WhatsApp chats on PC has never been easier, and knowing how to pin and unpin conversations gives you complete control over which chats you want to prioritize. So go ahead, unpin those groups you don't need at the top anymore, and enjoy a more streamlined chat experience. Thanks for watching.